Hi guys, and welcome to a new episode of Elegans Enrich Dance. I'm Ilaria, your dance teacher. In this video we will see how to do a figure 8 with our hips. But first of all, let's see what a figure 8 is and also how it is known in the belly dance world. First, a figure 8 is exactly the number 8 but horizontal under your feet. This means that we will going to draw a figure 8 in horizontal with our hips. How? We will see it later. Second, the figure 8 is also known as ribbon or infinite. So these are the very important informations you need before we start to do the figure 8. There are many figure 8 which are horizontals and vertical movement. Today we will see the first one of the horizontal ones. Let's start. Now that we are back in the studio, we can see how to do our figure 8. First, put yourself in posture and with the feet wider than your hips. So it's not the same size as we've done all the other movements, but it's a little bit more. Now what we want to do is twist our hips to the diagonals of the rooms to find our crucial point to do the movement. Our crucial points are 4. Imagine you have a clock under yourself. And we want to push first our hip in 4 different positions that will be 4 different hours. The first is at hours 2, then hour 4, then we will return to center, and then hour 10 and hour 8. So what we're going to do is this. First, twist. Then push all your weight out on the right leg. So my hip is facing and pointing to hours 2 on this clock under myself. From here, continue holding this position. I just twist with my hip and I go to hour 4 of my clock. Then I return to neutral position and I start again to go to the other direction. So twist, this time is the left hip is going forward. So twist and we go to hours 10, continue and return to center, neutral. So what we've done is first twist, push all our weight out, continue to twist back to hour 4 and return to center. Twist again, go to hour 10, continue to go back to hours 8 and then return to neutral. These are the 4 points we need to keep in mind when we are doing the figure 8. Now, let's try music. You can put your arms in the second position, or if you get tired, you can push it up under your chest so you can isolate it, the top from the bottom. Okay? So, in your position, posture, and we are going. Twist, go out, twist, return to center, twist, go out, back, neutral, and twist, out, back, neutral, and twist, out, back, neutral, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, back, neutral, 1, 1, back, 1, back, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, neutral. 1, push. 2, neutral. 1, push. 2, neutral. 1, push. Neutral. And 1. Ta. Back. Neutral. And stop. That was perfect. Now let's try to do it without stopping at the center. So what we're going to do now is, starting with the torsion, push it out, draw our half circle back, and again from this position move all your weight in the other diagonal and then to the back. And at the end return to center. So we are going to pass through hours 2, 4, 10, 8, and neutral again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Faster. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's start from the left side. So we are going 10, 8, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 1, 2, 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. We change side. This is the last one. Change. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice job! Amazing job today, guys. I hope you understood how to do the figure eight properly. And if you have any questions, just write me, message me, or whatever you want, and I'll be more than happy to help you. And another thing, if you are interested in more classes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will upload more videos soon. Classes and explanation of basic fundamentals for belly dancers. And also, if you want to study more with me, I have a couple of projects launching. You can find them all on my website. For example, one of these is the membership classes. There will be 2 classes per week in video conference, and I can see you, so I can give you a lot of correction exactly in the same time when you're doing the classes. So if you're maybe interested, just check out my website and you will see all the information about. Also, I'm working on my video library, so soon you'll be able to buy recorded classes, so you can just practice at home in the comfort of your home and work with choreographies and many other topics. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, share with your friends, and we will see you soon.